What's good, guys? Creepy Upload here, and today I have a pretty special video. So, as we all know, unfortunately, some of the kind of important combo pieces of the FTK got banned, Destrudo, and previously Global. Unfortunately, my backup plan, which was Steam the Cloak, also got banned, which means that I had to, actually think for a little bit, and so it took me a little bit, but I was able to find some pretty cool cards that allow you to do the FTK. Let's just get right into it. So it starts off as normal. Obviously, just go into the connector combo. So Soul Day, send the 4, Summon Again Night. So this is where it starts to get a little different. And so I don't play Spready here. So you'll see in a second. There's a new card that came out. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it. It's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I'm kidding. It makes needle fiber. Needle fiber is what allows you to do the FTK now, which is nice. So you don't play just because it's just a free dark tuner that can be summoned off, dunked off and then summoned. So from here, you go into so you go Needle Fiber, and then you go summon Gusto Goldo. So Gusto Goldo is a level 3, and so it's when it's sent from the field of grave, I can summon one level 2 or lower Gusto from my deck. And this is what's really important. So any level 3 tuner can just do the combo. But you'll end up in a little trouble later in the combo because you'd have to have 16 extra deck spaces if it just did a normal level 3 tuner, because you'd end up needing the 16th would be Needle Fiber, and you need to make the Barricade board Unicorn. But the thing with Goldo is now you don't need that. Here, let me just show you. So I make Power Tool with the 2, and I summon Griffin off of Goldo. Power Tool adds DDR. Then I do the Send the Zephyros bounce DDR. Divine Sword banish the Armageddon, summon Armageddon, and then send the Summon Mug. This is just as normal stuff that I've done for all these combos. So now it's the Saryuja play. Summon the Ferret. Sorry, if you guys didn't see that, I summoned Rescue Ferret off of Summoner Monk. Rescue Ferret's really cool. It's just, it allows you to summon monsters that to link monster points to up until, I think it's, has to be level 6 in total. So 1, 2, 3. And so I summoned these guys. So, I was able to do this better with, Ib. Because it would, obviously, it just summon this from deck. But what I do here is, this is probably one of my favorite plays that I make in this combo. I go into LP under that Saryuja zone, and then I make Romulus. Romulus adds Ravine. Then LP summons Omni, targeting Birdman, which is important because it's Dark Machine, Cyber Sign, Dark Machine. So, then I make Saryuja there. And then, since it's a Dark Machine tuner, I go into another Power Tool, and that is Telekinetic Charging Cell. Guard Dragon back the Serpent, and then I go into Reproducus. Reproducus, make this a Psychic, and then I link for 3 into, link for 4 into Saryuja, add back the Divine Sword, set it. You'll see why setting it's important later. And then I go Ravine into Tempest. So, and then Cyberstein, because of Telekinetic Charging Cell, can summon the 3 Blaze Phoenix. So before, I had to summon the Tempest to make the Saryuja, but since I have the extra extender off of the Goldo, I'm able to summon Tempest now. What that means is that there's enough cards on field, for Blaze Phoenix to deal 8100 damage. Before, I only had 8 cards, which means that it does 7200 total. But now with summoning Tempest, it's game, because Tempest makes it 9. This is 8 right now. And Obviously, like, if this was a Call by the Grave, I didn't need the Tempest, but let's just say it was like I completely break, I do like 3 malicious, and I don't know, like a mid breaker, and then the combo, and so I'd have to do it this way. And so I go Tempest, summon the Tempest, use all 3 effects, deal 8100 damage, and that is the game. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I was really happy that I was able to make the FTK, even though Destrudo got banned. Like, Konami can't stop me. I'll keep on making FTKs. I'll always find a way to make an FTK. Maybe if they ban Armageddon Night or something, or like a Soul Day, it'll be bit difficult, but I'll do my best to adapt. Anyways, this is Creepy Overlord, signing out. Peace.